Tips for fashion darts. When creating a dart in a garment, always start by making a muslin or toile first to ensure proper fit and placement of the dart. This will help you avoid mistakes and make adjustments before cutting into your final fabric. Make sure the dart is positioned correctly for your body type. The placement of the dart can vary depending on the size of your bust, waist, and hips, so it's important to measure carefully and adjust accordingly. Use tailor's chalk or a fabric pen to mark the dart on your fabric before sewing. This will help you stay accurate and consistent as you sew, and ensure that your dart is the right size and shape. Stitch the dart with a smaller stitch length than the rest of your seams, and backstitch at the beginning and end of the dart. This will help to reinforce the dart and prevent it from coming undone with wear. Press the dart flat or towards the center of the garment, depending on the design and fabric. Use a pressing cloth to protect delicate fabrics from heat and ensure a crisp, professional finish.